God has called us from Puerto Rico to Colorado Springs, Colorado, to reach the growing Hispanic community of the city and to plant Iglesia Gracia y Verdad. The vision God has given us is to be a multicultural community united under the banner of Christ, boldly living on the mission of making Him known. The area of Colorado Springs has approximately 645,000 people who call it home, and of these, near 90,000 are Hispanics, which makes us the largest ethnic minority of the city. Hispanics come to our city and to this country pursuing better opportunities and a better lifestyle than the ones they have had back home. And they have come assuming great risks and have left behind family, friends, and the country they love. Once here in the U.S., they struggle to adapt with the language, the culture, and the way of life. And after some time here, they begin to feel a sense of unfulfillment because they find out that because of their desire to support family back home and the cost of living here, they have to dedicate almost all their time to work. It is at opportunities like these that the gospel crosses roads with them and they are able to see the love of Jesus and the meaning of the gospel in very significant ways. Iglesia Gracia y Verdad has already begun to serve the Hispanic community and show them the love and the interest of God in their lives through different needs they have, like learning English, tutoring their children, creating a space to play soccer, and helping them with everyday needs like doing a job application or translating a document. As we have been doing this, we have been able to share the gospel of Jesus with them and inviting them to Bible studies. By the grace of God, we have seen some of them beginning to believe the message, and now we are getting ready to start our services beginning on the afternoon of August the 7th. So we ask you to please support us through any way you feel led to. This could be prayer, financially, or even coming to join us here in the Springs to be part of our team as we reach our Hispanic community. The mission that God has given us is to delight in the love of Jesus in such a way that we are compelled to share Him with others, and we invite you to join us in this effort.